Last class we had seen about the hostel facility and we had seen it. Now let us continue with the clinical facilities. Other things that should be included is affiliation of psychiatric hospital should be of minimum 30 to 50 beds. Okay. The nursing staff norms in the affiliated hospital should be as per the Indian Nursing Council norms. We'll see further what all is the details about it. Affiliated hospital should give student status to the candidates of the nursing program, right? So the hospitals where we are sending our students for the clinical training should also acknowledge them that they have come there and they are there for the training. ठीक है, तो वो student status उनको मिलना चाहिए. Then maximum distance between affiliated hospitals and institutions. Okay, this is during inspections. This is checked, and you yourself should make sure that this is there. Institution generally can be in the radius of 15 to 30 kilometer from the affiliated hospital. Okay, only in hilly and tribal areas, it can be in the radius of 30 to 50 kilometers from the affiliated hospitals. तो इसको जरा समझो, इसका मतलब क्या है. अभी आपका यहाँ पर आप जहाँ पर ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हैं और उसमें और एफिलिएटेड हॉस्पिटल के बीच में मैक्सिमम इतना ही डिस्टेंस परमिटेड है. ठीक है, so that is one thing. Then 1:3 student patient ratio has to be maintained. Now if the institution is having both general nursing and midwifery and BSc nursing program, it would require affiliated hospital for 40 to 60 annual intake in each program to maintain the 1:3 student patient ratio. Okay, this means you have a school of nursing and you have a college of nursing. So then accordingly ऐसा समझ लो, we take a calculation कि GNM प्रोग्राम में 40 बच्चे आते हैं, BSc के प्रोग्राम में अगर 60 बच्चे आते हैं, कुल मिला के हो गए 100. So accordingly they have to be given the student patient ratio. They should not all be sent together into clinical area and then you find students are struggling to get a patient. You have already a BSc student taking the patient, then general nursing student coming and asking they are not getting patients. ये सब confusion बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए. आप उनकी postings उस तरीके से लगाएंगे कि दोनों programs clash ना हो. One may be in theory, one may be in clinical, right? And accordingly जो affiliated hospitals number also may have to be increased for the same. Now parent hospital, the same trust which has established the nursing institution has also established the hospital, then it will be considered as the parent hospital of that institute. ठीक है, वेरी क्लियर. सो अगर कोई ट्रस्ट है तो अलॉन्ग विद वही ट्रस्ट ने इंस्टीट्यूट कॉलेज भी स्टार्ट किया होना चाहिए और वही ट्रस्ट के द्वारा जो है हॉस्पिटल भी सेट हुआ होना चाहिए, तब हम कहेंगे कि वो पेरेंट हॉस्पिटल है. ठीक है, नाउ लेट अस सी things we have already discussed, students. I think this I can leave. Eligibility criteria हमने देखा था, reservations, yes. So overall what have we studied in this? Before we wind up this class, I would like to again revise because this is very important. See, we know, we are hearing that soon the school will be phased out, we will have only one entry, that is BSc programs. Till then, till that final decision is taken, it's nice to know and it will always help you also to know that what are the requirements. तो हमने इसमें क्या देखा था? First, if I am planning to start a school of nursing, I should be either one of the four. ठीक है, एक है मैं तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से मैं स्कूल बना रही हूँ या स्टेट या लोकल बॉडी. Second is I should be a private or a public trust that is registered. Very important, registered. Okay. Then organizations that are registered under Societies Registration Act, which also includes missionary organizations. Then last option is companies incorporated under Section 8 of Companies Act. Okay, only these will be permitted. Now another criteria we saw 100 bedded parent hospital इनके पास होना ही चाहिए. ठीक है. अब उसके बाद हमने देखा कि सबसे पहले को स्टेट से एनओसी मिलती है, फिर आप आईएनसी को भेजते हैं प्रपोजल. ठीक है. जब वहां से एनओसी मिलती है वो सारा फाइल बना के आप आईएनसी को भेजते हैं विथ व्हाट ऑल डिटेल्स, टीचिंग फैकल्टी आपके कितने हैं, क्लिनिकल एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल फैसिलिटीज, सब कुछ एज पर आईएनसी. ठीक है. Not that you are mentioning that when we will get permission that time we will make. So teaching block जैसे यहाँ पे स्क्वायर फीट वगैरह था इस हिसाब से बनाना है. ठीक है. Any modifications needed that has to be done in your physical infrastructure. And then classrooms we saw how it should be, labs, list of labs that should be there, library facility also we saw this. Please be remembering this point. 500 का मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैंने टोरटोरा खरीदा 500 टोरटोरा खरीदा. 500 different titles. ठीक है. It can be टोरटोरा, it can be रॉसन विल्सन, it can be आशा लता. तो ऐसे ऐसे टाइटल्स अलग अलग की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ओके. और उसमें भी ऐसा नहीं है कि जब भी फर्स्ट एडिशन पहला निकला था वही बुक अभी भी रखा हुआ है. If the book has been revised, then surely the inspector will ask where are the new editions. Okay. So these all things have to be seen. Then we saw various offices here also. Okay, it is very important that a principal's office has attached toilet bathroom. There are times when principals compromise on this. No compromise. They should have the facilities what Indian Nursing Council is mentioning in this. Okay, faculty room, staff rooms, common room हमने देखा, audio visual room. Audio visual room also, as I mentioned to you, it is not for eye wash. Inspectors आ रहे हैं उस टाइम डेकोरेट किया, उस टाइम दिखा दिया. Please, it has to be made so that it can be utilized properly. That has to be taken into consideration. ठीक है. Means एटलीस्ट वो एक सेंटर रहे जहां से आपके ऑडियो विजुअल एड्स इशू होते हैं. आपको किसी को चार्ट्स दिखाना है, आप वहां से इशू करके लेके जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. आपको कहीं पे प्रोजेक्टर यूज करना है, अगर क्लास में इनबिल्ट प्रोजेक्टर नहीं है, यू आर गेटिंग इट इशूड फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस एंड टेकिंग इट. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई मीन. आई डोंट मीन कि आपके सारे बड़े बड़े क्लासेस वहां पे होंगे. नॉट नेसेसरी. वो शायद स्टोरिंग का एरिया हो सकता है. एट द सेम टाइम इट शुड बी ऑथेंटिक. About hostel block, especially today we saw about the hostel block, how the dimensions are to be taken care of. Every student now in a room, now you cannot push in so many students. ठीक है. Depending on the space and all, ideal for 2 students, minimum 2 students के हिसाब से बनाओ. ठीक है. रीजन भी वही है, फिर ज्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं रहेगा. If 2 of them are there, comparatively conversation will be less. They will sit for studies. All those positive points are also there. Then furniture, right? Cot, then a table and chair, a book rack to keep. Some places they have a cupboard which also serves as a table once it is opened. So cupboard is there for the books, for all the necessary clothes and all. So इस तरीके से modification भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. बट होना चाहिए, एसेंशियल चीजें होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि बच्चे बेड पे बैठ के पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए टेबल चेयर नहीं है. दैट शुड नॉट बी देयर. देन नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट टॉयलेट एंड बाथरूम. दिस आल्सो आई हैड मेंशन्ड टू यू. कॉलेज की उसमें हमने देखा था कि 25 का रेशियो रख सकते हैं, बट हॉस्टल में क्या हो जाता है, यू आर स्टेइंग देयर, राइट. सो वहां पर आपको 1 टॉयलेट 1 बाथरूम फॉर 2 to 6 स्टूडेंट्स, उस रेशियो से आपको these points we have seen today. Then staff of the hostel also we have seen. So all these people have to be there. Then I'm not again repeating on the points of admission criteria because we have already seen the admission criteria.